And we have to just admit, when we have some type of um, fault or something that we've done, if we know that's not right, we, the first way I believe of getting over it is just admitting it, because, you have to admit it not for yourself. I mean, for other people, but for yourself. What I'm trying to say is that when if you have guilt in your heart because you're being viewed as a liar, or most people call you a liar. We have all different kinds of reasons. And you have this guilt that's weighing down on you. First, you have to admit first that you were wrong. You have to admit that you're wrong. Telling people, um, first telling yourself that you was wrong is one thing, but also going to the person and telling the person, I am deeply sorry for the position I put you in. Can you find some way of forgiving me? This way, a person can have some solvency in their heart about you, because that healing is not even really for the person, it's for you. It's for you to feel like I've done all that I can to protect my integrity after I dismantled it. And to be whole again, I'm going to put it back together. So I'm going to go and I'm going to address and confront whatever my negative situation is. So, I just think that it's just extremely important that we address those issues.